What's going on, everyone? You're watching Vision Paradox TV, the place to be to learn social media marketing strategies that we implement with our clients that work, so that way you guys can build your personal brand, your business, your coffee company, your snack company, whatever it is that you're doing on social media. And today we're going to be talking about keyword research for your social media platforms. The foundation of search engine marketing was keywords, which is pretty much what people used to do prior to all these algorithmic changes that Google made. What a lot of people would do is they would use keyword research of things people would be searching, the word wine, how to make money, get a job, whatever it is. They would get these keywords and front load it on their blogs, their websites, all over their pages, so that way they can rank their page first on Google. The whole point of SEO is getting you to rank high in the search engine, whether it's YouTube or Google. We're not going to be talking about SEO backlinking, on-site SEO or off-site SEO or anything like that. We're going to be specifically talking about keyword research, so that way you can start crafting messages that your end user is specifically looking for. It makes more sense to have a deep understanding of your audience. You want to understand their problem so much, or what they're looking for so much, that it feels like, when they talk to you, they'll say like, you're reading my mind. And that's kind of what you want. So whether you're using Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, you need to know what your audience is saying in your space. So it's going to help you discover the social communities that exist, the specific phrases that they're using. It's going to help you track trending and popular topics. It's also going to help you find out how often they're searching for it. You might be thinking one thing and they're actually looking for another thing. So when it comes to social, it's not just about posting super fun content. It's also sharing stuff your audience is looking for. They're going to be looking to you to be the authority of that. So knowing your niche topics, your keywords, it's going to help better angle your messaging, so that way you have better engagement, a wider reach, and you can get more leads. This is where I think traditional keyword research comes in handy. I think it's a really good tool that you can use in helping craft your buyer persona. The first step, I think, in creating your buyer persona is at first creating one using whatever kind of method you can find online, or the one that we share with you guys. Then I think you further mold it and refine it using keyword research, and then further refine it with surveys. There's a lot of tools that you can help crafting your buyer persona. The key thing is, with these personas, you understand who you're marketing to, who you're talking to. If you're not talking to everyone, you're trying to talk to the one person you're trying to help out. Again, the keyword research is going to help you inform what to publish, so how to phrase things, so that way you can maximize your reach. First tool that you're going to want to get, I think it's a lot easier to use than Google Keyword Planner, is Keywords Everywhere. All you got to do is install it for Chrome or Firefox, depending on what you're on. All you got to do after that is click on this icon once it's installed. It's going to ask you to update your settings. Go to update settings, then you're going to ask for an email for the API key. Okay, boom. And all you got to do is copy and paste it from the email, set it, forget it, you're good to go. And you can ask for multiple keys as often as you want. I've signed on to like at least 3 to 4 different computers this past month, so you're good to go with this. It's a free, really good software. A lot of keyword research tools nowadays cost money. As a business person, you want to make sure every cent counts. Once that's installed, you can start researching your keywords. And also, a side note, YouTube SEO keyword research is going to be very different from the keyword research using the Google Planner, because YouTube, being a search engine in itself, it's the second most used search engine. That means it's its own thing, its own kind of beast in itself. So right now we're going to be using the terms people use on Google and translating that to your different social media platforms. So let's go to the keyword we're going to be using today is passive income. And already it's already starting to show you some ideas for it. Ideas, streams, Reddit. And what I like, as soon as you finish searching, it shows you all the different ones that people are looking for. Volume being the amount of people searching per month. The competition is 1 being the highest, 0 being the lowest. So as you can see, crowdfunded real estate. So this is different. This is a pretty high competition, but it's kind of irrelevant to our what we're looking for. And it starts giving you other ideas of what people are looking for, and it kind of falls off. So, and what we just use is a short tail keyword, which means it's very non-specific. So if you want to get a little bit more specific. Okay, so passive income has a search of, I forgot to mention this, you can see the results right here, a search of 74,000 a month, pretty good. Let's keep that there. Okay, passive income ideas for 2018, not so much, 10 a month, boom. This might be better for a YouTube keyword. And here, 22,000 a month, low competition, that's pretty good as well. So this is pretty good, or in terms of getting ideas so far, and you can continue doing the same thing, like look for other keywords people are looking for. So let's see, Python best passive income apps. Okay, let's look at that. You can click. I forgot you can click, and it gives you the next thing, and it gives you more suggestions. Another tool that you can use is Google Ads. This essentially does the same thing as Keywords Everywhere. This is just another tool that you can use for keyword research. Boom, find new keywords or get search volume and forecast. I'm gonna find new keywords.